and now we are going to start 60-second session. And we have our new participant. Can you please tell me your name?
This is Noor Mohammed before you, sir.
Thank you. I have 10 short questions for you. Are you ready to answer?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. First one sentence about Bangladesh.
I love my country because I born and grew up here.
One sentence about your father.
My father is my real hero and I love him a lot.
One sentence about your mother.
My mother is my heart and I can sacrifice my life for her.
One sentence about your best friend.
He is good, honest and hardworking person. That's why I love him very much.
Drama or movie?
I think movie because it gave us proper knowledge about the topic.
Laptop or PC?
Obviously laptop because it is easy to carry one place to another place.
Mobile or TV?
I think mobile phone because I can communicate with others by using mobile phone.
Excellent. Fast food or homemade food?
I think homemade food because it's more hygienic and healthy than fast food.
Thank you. Academic books or storybooks?
Historical book because I can learn many things with fun.
Okay. Father or mother?
I think both because both of caring, helping and sincere about me.
Thank you very much for your answer, and that's all for today. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.